Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about is fiber internet or the cost part on if all of the information above has you convinced that fiber optic internet would be a huge improvement for your work and entertainment experience. You might be wondering how much it all costs. Thankfully, the cost of fiber internet has dropped significantly in recent years. Companies outside of the cable TV marketplace have entered the game. These days, telephone companies like AT&T and power companies are offering fiber internet in different neighborhoods. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.